Yo, what's good everybody? This is Soheil back with Feel Good Threads, and today we've got a special look at Marshawn's pair of Jordan 1 Game Royals. He asked me to flip one side over to a Fragment Sketch Custom, and then he asked me to flip the other one over to a Royal Custom. So with them combined, it's going to be a Fragment times Royal. Both of them are like up there on my list of favorite shoes. So I was super excited to work on this project. As always, if you guys ever need shoelaces, if you guys need accessories like zip ties, you guys can find those at shopfeelgood.com. Without further ado, let's bring on Marshawn's kicks. Please hit that like button if you like the video and comment below and let me know what you guys think. Let's hit it.
Hey yo, my OG told me slow it brosive, dreams are flowing global oceans, still stuck at local notion, want some shows in Nova Scotia, training like that locomotive once, almost overdosed it punch, made for runny noses, praying that he keep me floating lunch, pay that money, Otis Dunce, blazing strange aromas, day to day they stay in coma, sleeping on my painted opus, what? I'm just moping, feeling stuck, I'm just hoping it's enough, mutants flow Genosa cause Trump just fucked the oval up. I've been learning slow, ashy from that burning smoke. How you rapping, trapping if your apartment up in Sherman Oaks. Got few friends in London, but they're foreign from them German folks. Time to pay, got the pole, cause now the kid is earning dough. What you gonna do when it's goons and goblins? Fail a few times, get a school advisor. Gang, 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 shit inducing violence. And I'm flipping on the tube and the news is silent. Fuck boy cops, they abusing sirens. Cans on the shelf, see the food is processed. Middle finger to the feds, that's who divide us. And the eye on the money, that's the true imposter. Word. I don't pop no pills, I don't sell no dope. You ain't got no skills, you ain't got no hope. Gotta pay my bills, God will save my soul. Death come at you fast, it's best you take it slow. Take it slow, take it slow. Death come at you fast, it's best to take it slow. Take it slow, take it slow. Death come at you fast, it's best you take it slow. This hit crack like vinyl tracks or a spinal back, that's chiropractic. Grind for cash, then hide the stash, and time will pass, but can't buy the passion. Wasn't ever really on time for class, hoping I don't go blind, find my glasses. Genocide, genocide, hide the ashes. Rise like the phoenix, but your pride to crash quick. I ain't really sleeping days, swerve. I ain't never chief this strain, nervous. This is how we living in the fast lane, dipping with the ashtray lit, cause the rap game tripping. Lone wolves hunt, no cash came with them. No gross nut, but the caffeine in them. Whoa, nothing but a rap fiend living. Never been viral, the vaccine kill them. Dead on arrival, a crash scene witness. Head on a spike, bro, the Mad King kill him. Rain of fire, but the hydrant hit him. I ain't never buy no fly chinchilla. Looking at the clock, no time tick rilla. Observing the block, got my eyes on a swivel. Joke a smile, but my mind is a riddle. On my own wave, no ride in a ripple. I don't pop no pills, I don't sell no dope. You ain't got no skills, you ain't got no hope. Gotta pay my bills, God will save my soul. Death come at you fast, it's best you take it slow. Take it slow, take it slow. Death come at you fast, it's best to take it slow. Take it slow, take it slow. Death come at you fast, it's best you take it slow. Take it slow, take it slow. Death come at you fast, it's best to take it slow. Take it slow, take it slow. Death come at you fast, it's best you take it slow.